And I want to get a little practical here because I want to throw out a premise for you, and I
Yeah.
want you to react to it for me. Because analysts like me, guys that are looking at it who are deep in the technology and the implementation and the application of it, are saying, okay, I can look at a field like legal, and I can say I believe that the impact will be very much to take away a lot of tedium of portions of it that are very repetitious to it. I would think of like a paralegal and say like a lot of the creation of basic documents, yeah, that's going to get accelerated away and they're going to get freed up. How much of that, as somebody who lives in the world, how much do you think of that premise in the same way?
I think about it exactly the same way. Exactly the same way. And, you know, there's this fear that a bunch of jobs are going to be lost as a result of AI. And I think that is absolutely true. And that is absolutely going to happen. As a matter of fact, I would predict that in the next however many years, I won't put a number on it, but it won't be that long. There will be no radiologist. I mean, there will be doctors who will supervise the AIs that read the radiology screens. But reading radiology films, AIs are already orders of magnitude better than a human being. It's the same thing, like you, and I think you put your nail on the head. It's kind of the rote work, the work that is not that fun, that doesn't take a lot of intelligence, but it's something that has to be done, and it's just kind of repetitive. We used to call it grunt work. That we want those jobs to go away. Like those jobs are bad jobs. Like we want people to have better jobs. We want to automate those kind of crappy jobs. And so what I think is going to happen, I'll give you a good example, a very, very practical example in my field. So as a trial lawyer, I take depositions. Depositions are recorded by court reporters that literally type they type in shorthand. And then there's a videographer that'll video the deposition. Don't go to court reporting school or videography school if you want to have a job in the next 10 years, because those jobs are going away. You don't have to have somebody physically typing shorthand on a computer anymore. There's actually companies now that have AI that'll transcribe the entire deposition, video the entire deposition, summarize it, put it into a nice format. So those are going away. But who I don't want this to sound the wrong way, but those aren't the best jobs to begin with. Like there are better jobs you can do with that kind of training. And so it really is a balance between figuring out what are the tasks that the AI is best suited to, that I'm not better at, and that my staff's not better at, and let's offload all of that stuff to automation. That's kind of my attitude.